Hey, have you ever said, I just need more willpower? I got news for you. Willpower isn't your problem. In fact, relying on willpower alone is one of the biggest reasons people fail on keto. Let me show you 3 simple ways to set yourself up for success without burning out. Number 1. Clear the junk. First, clear out your kitchen. If your pantry is full of carby snacks and sugar-loaded traps, it's only a matter of time before you crack. Replace that temptation with keto-friendly grab-and-go foods. Make it easy to win, hard to fail. Number 2, prep ahead. Second, plan and prep your meals. When dinner time hits and you're starving, you don't want to think, you want to eat. Having meals ready to go saves you from making a bad decision in a weak moment. Number 3, build a routine. And third, building a simple daily routine. Start your day with the same keto breakfast. Grocery shop on the same day. Batch cook lunches. Take the decision-making off your plate so you can stay focused on your goals. Keto success isn't about having iron willpower. It's more about smart systems and structure. Set up your environment, build routines, and watch your results take off without the daily battle. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know your number 1 keto habit.